Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to talk about the CDI modification. The CDI, there is a lot of different ones. There is a black one, blue, red one. They say they're all performance. Actually, the black one is not really performance. The black one comes with the scooter and is like from the company, and it's not really great CDI, but at least it's working, okay? So now we're going to have a CDI that is a performance CDI. This one is the blue one, okay? This one you can find it online for about maybe $15, okay? They say it's gonna help your engine to get faster, okay? A little more speed. It's not gonna restrict your scooter, okay? Now this one is the blue one. We have another one that is a performance CDI, that is a red one, okay? And this one they say also, this one they say is a good performance. And this one is the regular CDI that comes with a scooter. This one is the black, okay? They all have 6 prongs. They all have 6 connections right here, okay? These CDIs, to me, they never did nothing, okay? So you like to waste your money, okay? But if you like the color, buy for the color. I like this one, the blue. That's my favorite, okay? That's the only thing why I bought it. If not, I was not going to buy it. I tried them all. They're not give me any changes. You don't really feel much speed, so you're just gonna waste your money, okay? Now, you really wanna do it, buy the blue one, buy the red one. If you wanna change it, your CDI is underneath your seat on the right side of your scooter. Right here you have 2 large screws on the top and 2 screws on the bottom in all the scooter to remove this compartment, okay? Remove the cap of the fuel and you can remove the whole inside. Okay, right here on the right side of the scooter, you have your CDI. Capacitor, discharger, injection, okay? So this one will be powered from the alternator, okay? And will go to the coil of the spark plug and from the coil to the spark plug, okay? This is the whole process. Now, to remove this one, there is a lot of flaps that you open up right here and you pull out the connector, okay? And the same one is from the one underneath. What you just do, you pull the connector up and you get the wires with the connector out, okay? And you connect it to the newer CDI. Capacitor, discharger, injection. This one is the blue. This one they say they will give you a little more power. Not a little more power, but less the restriction, okay? So your RPM will be higher, okay? Same thing from the one underneath. You just pull down and you unplug and you plug it to the new CDI. Same story, okay? This one, what you can do, you can put it right here and you can place a kind of strap to keep this one here, okay? Zip tie. Now, just in case, leave the other one here, so if you're in emergency that this one is gonna give up, you have the other one right here next to it, okay? Okay, we take 2 little zip ties right there. We connect it together. We pass this one from the back. and we connect one with the top, okay? If you like, you can put one more zip tie right here to make sure it's not going to go anywhere, okay? Put one here or one here so it's not going to move. Make sure all the wiring, they're out of the way, because when you're going to put the inside compartment, nothing is going to bother the CDI or the compartment, okay? Okay, everybody. This one is like a regular CDI. It's got 6 connections, but there's only 5 wires going to it, okay? The CDI gets the power from the alternator, okay? And the pickup that is at the alternator around the magneto will give the information to the CDI to fire up the spark plug, okay? So from the magneto we'll go here to the CDI, we'll go to the coil of the spark plug, and for the coil of spark plug the wire is going to the spark plug and we'll fire the spark plug. It's all about a little connection around, okay? So this one is a performance CDI. It should have no restriction, okay? So your RPM will go slightly higher, okay? But let me tell you, you're not going to fly with these CDIs. There is a lot of other modification that they are cheaper to your scooter, and really they're gonna improve your speed. But the CDI, they're not really improving too much. But every little things in the scooter helps you out to slightly go faster. Now, be careful to don't get any ticket. Don't go crazy with the scooter, okay? Okay, everybody, thank you very much for watching my video. We just changed a CDI on a 150cc scooter. The CDI is that part that tells your spark plug to fire up, okay? These CDIs, they're a little more performance. They should give your scooter a little more power and less restriction, okay? Thank you very much for watching my video.